This is a Christmas cutting that has grown new leaves and roots by the procedure I am going to show here. First, taking cuttings. You should take cuttings during late summer or early autumn. Take cuttings from a healthy tree using a cutter, or just bend the branch to take it off from the tree. Ensure the selected branch is semi-hardwood and free from diseases. Before taking cuttings, disinfect the pruning cutter with a bleach solution. Cut the branch into small thin cuttings. Remove lower leaves. You may leave a few top leaves. Lightly scrape the cutting at it. These are prepared cuttings. The next step is to plant the cuttings. For this, take a small pot having many drainage holes. I use river sand as rooting medium, because it is free from any microbes, preventing rotting of the cuttings. Fill the pot with the rooting medium. Water the pot and place it in shade for half an hour to drain excess. Before planting the cuttings, apply some rooting hormone at the cut end of the cuttings to encourage root growth. You can use a chemical hormone, but I use aloe vera gel, which is a natural rooting hormone. Rub aloe vera leaf on the cuttings. Make a hole in soil and insert the cutting and press the soil around it. Plant more than one cutting in the same pot. Do not water again. Enclose the bag in a polythene bag to maintain high humidity around the cuttings.
Place the bag in shade at a warm place.
Open the bag every 10 days and look for new leaf growth. Add a few drops of water in soil. Close the bag again. The cuttings will root in 2 to 3 months depending on temperature. After 2 months, new leaves have grown. Some roots are coming out of the hole of the pot. Now planting the rooted cutting. First, prepare the potting soil mix. Mix potting mix, cow manure and river sand and fill in a pot having drainage holes. Plant the cutting. Water and keep the pot in shade for a week. Then expose the plant to morning sun for 1 week. After that, you can shift the pot in full sun or transplant in ground in a sunny spot.